Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This video will be showing you how we can easily convert our file format on our phone. Let's get started. First of all, go to your file manager on your phone. Then you can choose either internal storage or SD card. And I'm just going to click on SD card and choose the file that you want to change the format. For example, I'm going to convert the file format from Word to PDF. So just tap and hold on the file and click on this three dots button. And wait guys, click on this three dots button, then click on rename. And since we want to convert the file format from Word to PDF, so I'm just going to type PDF right here. And after that, we can click on rename. Okay, wait guys. And click on change. Alright, as you can see that the file format has been converted to PDF, and I'm going to give you another example. I'm going to convert this file format. Just tap and hold on the file, then click on this three dots button and click on rename. And I'm going to convert this MP4 to MP3 and click on rename guys and click on change. Alright guys, and that's how we can convert file format on our phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.